Alright, so let's talk about our diamond blades first. We've partnered with a company called Diamond Vantage, or a diamond blade manufacturer based out of California, to make our custom diamond blade. This is ideal for cutting pavers, cured concrete, medium, anything medium to hard material wise. They also offer a lot of great solutions for cutting green concrete, cutting tile, things like that, but we've partnered with them to make one that's perfect for hardscaping. It's a great general purpose blade, laser welded segments, nice thick segments. This is going to give you speed of cut and a lot of blade life. So I'm really been happy with the blade that we've worked with Diamond Vantage to have made for us. You're going to see it in action here in a second.